Today I'm going to build a custom mechanical keyboard around $100. This is the MW65. It's a stacked acrylic 65% gasket mounted keyboard. That is cheap. But this board isn't just cheap, it's actually bloody good. Towards the end of the video, I'll be comparing this board to another rather similar keyboard that is more popular when we talk about budget keyboards, and it's the KBD67 Lite. It's hard for me to say that this board is beginner friendly because building this was a little pain. I didn't get any manual from the vendor, so I had to spend 10 years figuring out how to put this together. And since it's acrylic, there was a shit ton of peeling to do. The kit didn't come with any stabilizers, so I'll just use some Durock stabs that I have. I'll be using a plate foam as well. The switches I'll be using are the KTT Mint. Love these budget linear switches. Also done 2 layers of tape mod and added a case foam below. Slap on some cheap clone caps that I have, and there you have it. A completed custom keyboard that costs around $120. Let's get to the sound test. This board sounds amazing. In fact, a small part of me rather have this over the KBD. Compared to the KBD67 Lite, this board sounded deeper and poppier, and did I forget to mention, it has a knob. The only tiny issue I have with this board is the inconsistency. The middle keys are slightly louder than the ones on the side. And that's probably because of its whole structure. Okay, I still love the KBD67 Lite, but if you're tight on budget, I would definitely recommend you all to go for the MW65 instead. This board will not let you down.